Yeah, John Besser calling. I got a
Who is
little
this?
John Besser.
Yes.
I got a notice in the mail that I have a judgment put against me, and
Yes.
I was never notified that I had a court date.
No, there wasn't been a court date on it. It was called a default judgment in which you needed to file an answer with the court.
We
And the court never received the answer.
Oh yeah, they did. I responded. Yes, I did.
Did you respond to the plaintiff's attorney?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and you didn't file that with the court,
Yes,
correct?
I filed. I sent it off to the court. Yes, you received it.
Oh, I don't have any paperwork showing that I received anything from you,
Okay.
other than what I received from the attorney on the case.
Okay, I want all documents mailed to me immediately that you filed against me. All the judge's rulings immediately. I expect it within
You got
20.
everything that I have.
The court, the judge's judgment, everything.
Yes, you've got everything I have.
All right, because I wasn't notified that we were going to court. I never even heard of a court file number until today. So.
Yeah, see what happens in those default judgments is if you owe like that collection place some money, then they serve a summons and complaint upon you, and then you need to answer to that within so many days. And you might have or might not have, I don't know. And then what happens is when nothing's happened after a certain amount of time, then they file with the court that they're going after a default judgment.
All right, so
So that's when I get it, and when I open up a case, and then the judge signs the order for the judgment, which is a copy of what you have there, and the notice of filing, and then we enter the judgment pursuant to that.
I see.
But, you know, if you want to file something else with the court and have a hearing, then you're more than welcome to do that.
All righty.
Okay?
All right.
Okay.
Yep, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Hi, John Besser. I had a judgment put against me.
Okay, what type of a judgment?
Default on payment. I was never notified we were having court on Monday. I received everything today.
All right, just a minute, please. I'll let you speak to Sharon.
Hi, John.
Hey, so now, can I see my folder?
Yeah, you sure can. Absolutely. Absolutely. Here's your folder. You got a copy of this, and then I sent you a copy of, this is their check, of this, so you got a copy of that,
Mm-hmm.
and then that's their letter to the court,
Whose letter?
the attorney's letter,
To the court.
yeah, requesting the default judgment.
Okay,
Did you have a copy of that? Did you send you a copy?
I've sent him copies of multiple things, so
Okay.
he,
And then this was your copy sent to you.
Yeah, so here's this is my writing right here, everything that I sent to you guys.
Well, you sent it to him, and then
Well, and
he
I sent
sent-
you guys the court administration, and I sent it to him too, so.
Oh, he just sent those copies with that. If you sent us some other stuff, I don't know where.
This
that
is all what he sent,
Yep, that's everything he sent.
and you guys received the same thing.
Well, maybe Teresa did, but I guess I didn't see it, so.
Yeah, I believe we got a rogue judge on our hands, so we got some serious issues going on here, because you have received that. Everything that's in there.
John, I think that if something did it come before we got there?
Yes, plenty of
See,
ample.
we would not have known what it was then, maybe. Maybe
Uh,
that's the object.
I don't think that's the case, so.
Because we wouldn't have had any
I
of this.
believe somebody's getting bought and paid for by Capital One here by some reason, so.
No, they're pretty aggressive in their collection.
Whatever. I never had my time in court with them, and I offered it. It's there. I said I want to go to court with them,
Okay?
and it never come to court. And the judge signed off on it. It means we have a rogue judge that is not following the law anymore.
Well, like I told you, you can file whatever you want with the court, and we can always have a hearing. If you want to request a hearing, then you need to do it according to the way things should be done.
Mhm.
So, that's up to you.
All right. Yeah, because it wasn't done.
Are you recording me?
Yes, I am.
You shouldn't be doing that without my
It's
permission.
public property, and you've seen it, so.
You did not ask my
No, I don't need your permission. This is my case. I need to remember what's being said. There hasn't been anything filed on me on eviction notice?
Nope, haven't gotten anything yet. Nope.
Yep.
Are we gonna get one?
I don't know. If you guys want to keep playing games with these damn crooks, I guess you might. So, you're Teresa, correct?
Nope, this is in her office.
What's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon. Last name?
Yes. We didn't have any court for sure on the 20th.
Okay. So there was no court on the 20th.
All of them? All right.
So, what's your last name?
Pagan.
Pagan?
Yep.
Okay, but there was no court on 420.
Nope, there wasn't any court on that day.
All right.